Ready to go? Come on, bud. Holy shit. The tree. No. That's on video. Come on, Gage. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Oh, over here. Come on. Come, Gage. Right here. Come. Stay. 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 All right. Stay. Hey. Come here. Stay. Wait. Wait. Good boy. It's okay. In the woods, through the woods. Not through the mud. Good boy. Woo! I'm winded. Ready? In the truck? Go ahead. Good boy. That was awesome. Oh yeah. Ready? Watch your ears. Good boy. Woo! An egg. That was awesome.
Floor it! Floor it! Floor it!
Floor it!
Oh, not what it's gonna do.
Yeah! That was deep. Stop! Hey, it's okay. Yeah! Oh, that's pretty deep, man. Go through this one. Back up and come through here. I'll take Gage. Hi, bud. Come on. Come on. Stay right here. Stick. Got it. You got the stick. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Whoa. Hey. Hey. Okay. Good boy, wait. Good boy. Nice. I'm gonna jump on the hitch. What up? Stay. Stay. She can go left. What do you think? Whoa! I almost fell. Gage, come. Come here, bud. Yeah, he's good. Good boy. Good boy. What up? I'm gonna ride right here. That was nice. You having fun?
Can you put him in the back?
Gage? Come on, bud. Ready? Alright. Good? Alright, let me video you. Whoa! Holy shit, we're in reverse. That was nice, having fun. Hit the deep part. Just go through the middle of every part. Or go to the right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at this thing, covered in mud, man. Covered. It's okay, bud. Hammer down. Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas, motherfuckers! That was awesome. 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 You can go left or right. Do whatever you want in here. And you can go and turn around and come back. This is like the end. I told her to do whatever she wants. Woo! You're deep. That was cool. Good boy. I know, man. I'm in shape. Not really. I like this underview. Oh fuck, I'm gonna get splashed. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Motherfucker. You got me good. My feet are wet. Holy fuck. No balance. No, 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 no. Don't back up. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Good boy, it's okay. You got me good. You got me good. Hit the left. Try the left side. No, I hit it. Go for it. Don't be scared. Getting muddy, Gage. Getting muddy, Jax?
Yes.
Woo! I'm getting soaked. was nice. They're gonna get.
I went to the center with this couple.
Did you?
Oh, look how deep that is. We can't go down there.
Oh, we got this. She's gonna get stuck. Woo! Oh, look at this hill. I'll tell you in a second.
I don't think it's that deep. I've been down before.
Come. Yeah. Good boy, stay.
Every night I watch, or else I'll have to rip it.
Exactly. Might have to hit the brake. Good.
Barrett, I knew that was a soft spot in there.
That's all.
My tire started spinning. Did you see mine?
Yeah, I did.
Put her in four low.
Neutral, four, low. Yeah. With the brake on. The brake has to be on. She might, it might, I don't know. I think that's it. That's all she wrote.
I'm saying the best way to pull the trunk is forward. Forward.
Yeah. I'll hook it up. Keep your foot on the gas. I think the pipe's underwater. Put it in, wet off. Put it in neutral. Neutral. I think the pipe's under.
I'm gonna go down this far right here.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Look at that.
All right. I got you on video. Stop. Stop. That was nice, dude. I'll hook it up. Oh, Nelly.
Yo, I started putting my tires in there.
Did you? I know.
Yeah, he's gonna grab the camera. Don't forget the GoPro.
That's why I'm stuck right now.
You know, I went out further. I think it was a little too.
I think she can get it next time. Stop. All right, babe. Get ready. He's gonna give you steady tension. You don't have to floor it. Just go easy. Yeah, drive. No, keep it all on. Don't floor it. Just. You're good. Just a little bit of gas. Yeah, you're fine. Not much gas at all. Perfect.
Really deep.
You can put it in park. Yeah, that was deep as hell. Yeah, you can take it all out. Just you have to hold the brake. That's what I was trying to tell you.
Thanks, man. Thanks for pulling me out.
Want to hit some more? You out of four and everything?
Yeah.
Alright, you good. You
were
might
no
actually,
gas.
you might need it again. What? No gas. Oh.
We didn't even burn any gas.
Oh, I know. Try to get out. You might have to put it back in four. I don't know yet. Never mind. She's good. Want to hit this? Is that bad?
That outside was where I had to get four-wheel drive from a big truck. Far side.
Okay, I guess they're ripping.
Little rip. We'll sit here and watch for a minute.
That's all.
You know what? I'll back up. I'll put my tailgate down. Let you sit in line.
I'm down, dude. Plus, I want to rip my truck a little bit.
I'm gonna park right up here. Whatever.
Get some good pics of this thing.
You might want to try that, don't you?
I do.
Dude, did you see my truck? I had to get her going on it.
This thing's a fucking monster.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna beast. I'm not gonna beat the balls off this.
No.
Girl. Dude, now I could show good flex.
Dude, you pulled this thing out not even trying.
Dude,
Pulled
that,
my-
that,
and
was,
that was stuck.
that was buried.
It was. My exhaust went under.
That was a nice flex though on the truck when I came down.
Dude, that
And I were by ourselves and we went through that side.
by
And
yourself.
Just us here, and I freaking, she went down. She should go right more.
I know, go that way. She likes this little mud section, I can tell.
Yeah. Donut! No donut! Uh-oh, you're gonna hit that deep side. Just no.
We have no idea what's about to happen.
I don't know. It's deep. No one side. See? I told you. I told you.
Yeah!
Hey, that's where we went through. We almost got stuck.
Turn the wheel right. Turn right. All right, now try to reverse. Yeah. Throw her in four. Throw her in four.
It starts spinning that wheel.
That sank like four low actually. And then you gotta always make sure your wheels are straight. Four low. Four low.
And straighten it.
Once you're moving, it ain't gonna
Yeah.
straighten. Oh. Huh?
That's a wiggle a little.
Four low.
You're getting there. Turn it the other way. The other way. The other way. There you go. There, that's going out. Turn your wheel back. Back and forth a little bit. There you go. Like that. Perfect.
Oh.
There you go.
Hit it again. Get through that bitch. Oh, this is gonna. Yo, we're gonna be stuck. I wish my truck had a rev limiter.
No, they have rubber.
No.
Holy shit, we're gonna flip them.
She was.
That one really calls it?
Oh, it should stock,
I
but
was gonna say stop.
I mean a lot lower. You hitting it again? Oh, good. Whatever
What's
you
the
want.
temperature on the truck? Is it getting hot?
All right.
Because Jarrett was getting worried about that a minute ago.
It's in the middle.
Oh, put it back in four low and shit.
But like,
No, you need it in four low.
You're not gonna make that two-wheel drive.
Hit the brake.
I know you can floor and make it
no,
through
like
most
that
stuff,
makes
but
me nervous. I don't like that. No, like,
It's. Oh, stop. You ain't gonna go to China.
Come on.
You will come back.
Go easy. You don't gotta like shred on it.
Just remember, you can shake the wheel a little bit, it'll get you going.
Yeah, but once you got momentum, keep going.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah, you gotta get momentum.
Stop being a puss.
Now it's the easy.
Yeah.
This middle's the wicked.
I'm gonna make her come back through the middle.
I think the second pull. Was it the second pull that was the bad one?
I
I
don't-
can't remember. I know Grace and I hit the spot. It has to be the end right there.
I'm making her come through the fucking middle right here. Yo, we're gonna have to pull it out, sorry.
That's fine.
Because I don't know though, sometimes that thing surprises me.
Well, you know what? It's light with wide tires. My truck has that heavy ass front end with the Cummins.
Well, that big ass diesel, yeah, dude.
You know, that's a lot of weight there. Was when we were talking about how much weight? That's 3,000.
Almost
25 pounds.
Probably 3,000.
Maybe 25. Definitely.
She won't hit
Come on,
it.
Bill.
No. Alright, well let me drive. I'm hitting the middle.
You think you won't go down the bottom there?
No, I hope not. I think it's happening. She's having a blast.
That's fine. Both of them needed it.
I hope she's good. Alright, cool.
Oh, he's going up that hill. He changed his mind. He's like, I know I'm gonna get pulled out. That's gonna be deep, man. All right. You know, further that way is the deeper side. My Chevy's made it through this before. There you go. Yeah, the far side's the deep side. Whoa, you went out further. That's where the hole was. That's not too bad at all, huh? You gonna go through all that brush straight to the center? Oh yeah. Dude, there's vehicles I've tried, but you know. That's a stream, just so you know. I think so. I see some people have gone back, but I think it is a real stream. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it is. Dude, put your foot in there. Yeah. Up there, dude, you're done right there. Your whole ass end's in. Dead serious. Yeah, the whole ass end's in there. Yeah, that's a stream, Jared. That's a stream. I told you it's a stream. It's extreme now. Your bumper's touching the ground.
We can do both chains.
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
Damn.
I told you.
That happened instantly. It looked like somebody went around.
You know, I did the same thing in my Chevy. Remember I told you, but I made it way further until I found that spot. Yeah.
We're doing both chains.
Yeah, we're gonna have to. Yeah, no, I'm fine. I can back all the way up to right here even. This is all hard.
Damn, that's deeper than I thought.
Give me my phone. I want to video this.
I went, here, babe.
Wow, that was very exciting. We have a redo?
Do you want help? Yes, I got big traction on this. That one's a little bit. Not too bad. There's 35 on there. The puddle's now filling back up. I might get wet here, huh? Oh gosh. It just sunk immediately. No, we don't have it. Almost, Jared, almost. That was a good try. Huh. Yeah. Yeah. That was a good try though, that's for sure. Oh, Gage is swimming now. That's how deep that one is. Jeez, he was swimming. Oh, let me. It's a little deeper? Oh, it's getting close.
Yeah, I got a pull.
Let me, I'm gonna pull my truck through this spot. It's not that bad.
I'll hook up.
And then come here. Let me get them with the camera, I guess. Almost, man, almost. That was a good try. Good try.
Ram to the rescue. Oh, boy. Go ahead, Grace. Get closer. Look, we should probably go on the other side. Hey, I'm not going.
I don't know which one he's going for. He's going for the far side. He has it. Almost has it. Almost did. Better tires, he would have it. That's for sure. If he had better tires, definitely. truck. What is bubbling? Your exhaust have water in it? I think that, does the muffler have water in it still? You should have blown it all out, flooring it.
Oh yeah, it's definitely got water. It felt like I was like dragging.
Really?
It felt like I was dragging something. Was water coming out?
I couldn't see with all the water shooting out from your tires.
No. Dude, I kept sinking, so I kept jumping.
Do you know what it might be? It might be the mud packed around the rotors and stuff.
Yeah.
And the leaves and stuff. Yeah, she's down fine. Yeah, you know what I mean? You get all that stuff packed in around it.
That's gotta be what it is. And it might still be
because look at the leaves around your wheel there. You went through all that crap.
Yeah, it might still be in like 4, kinda.
Oh, she's not completely coming out?
I feel like it is. Alright, I'll let that.
Oh, you let them drive from here or you backing up again?
Solid over there?
No, that's one big puddles right there. Yeah.
Alright, I'll try to get close as I can.
It's a,
Just getting stoned.
yeah, well, do what you want, man. Throw on 4 if you have to. Yeah, he's gonna have to screw with it. There you go. Yeah, I don't see anything, dude. You're alright. What's up, pup?
I kept getting stuck and stuck and stuck. I had to keep rolling.
Yeah, man, you did good. It's nice to have a beater.
But that's it. It's not my total beater.
I know.
But nah, I think it'll be fine.
Well, I won't be ripping like that with this truck.
Yeah,
I know, dude.
I know.
Huh? Yeah. Well, dude, I have.